Sorry you can't see me right now, but it's update 1, the only update on Tropical Storm. Maybe you're joking, Bill. Bill, right now, obviously, it's Carlos's buddy. But it's just from a national basin, the Atlantic. You see me? Look out for fate on YouTube. You see me saying, "Oh, it's popular MMOs." Well, I'm not popular MMOs. My channel says that. It's scary. It currently has 160 my pounds, moving pretty much northwest. As of advisory 2A, which went to 60 miles per hour. Now, obviously, it's going to ease out here. We don't know if it's going to make a landfall big north. I think it could. And New England is on the range. But by Wednesday, we are expecting it as the week progresses to pretty much move, inland. It's positive. This is, if it's not a depression, this will most likely be the final update, since I won't be awake for it to make a landfall. If it does make a landfall, then that will be a good thing, because next one update, Carlos also is out. Yes, Carlos has nothing to do with the update, but it's pretty good to check on Carlos because you don't know how strong it's going to get. It's weak and very good. And to move out to sea, that's on that one. Now, Annihilus is this week. Let's see, it's going to send missions in the Atlantic as of June 16th. Will be very, very warm all around the world. Now I'm going to show you that's the wrong one. The one with vapor. Now look, you may have a long time finding it, but you have to look somewhere over here. Right there is Bill, and it will go into the ether thing. Right here is Carlos. It's really easy to see once I look back at the video. I had a hard time seeing Bill. I see what happened with my eyes. What the heck is that? Well, I don't know what that is. I don't know. That's definitely not developing. This could develop. No, that has an MS. The Tropical Storm Mess. Oh, no, that isn't actually a name. Just kind of flaring up all by the coast. Is that like, I made it my own business, but I want to watch you. 91 now. It's sitting, but Bill. Now here's the latest satellite imageries on Bill. Daylight has just reached Bill for the first time since being named. It's creeping up on the coast of Texas, so that adds some moisture to Texas. Just creeping in right now. It looks like the main corner is right up here. That's where it appears to be in the water vapor. There is little to no triangle. What's going to kill it is land interaction. Almost expanding as far as Louisiana, the clouds. So it better hug this moisture. It could go through the brown ocean effect, which is where it could intensify possibly into a hurricane over land. I doubt it, but I read it in Wikipedia. You guys can find it. Get the brown ocean effect. And now from the bottom, this is where on the this is where all the moisture is really being kept. At least the heaviest of the thunderstorms going a bit to the south. That's where the heaviest appears to be. And it appears to be expanding and not really taking the shape. It could take a shape for just right now, but nope. It doesn't look like it has much of a shape as we can see. It does look like it's trying to get a shape. Maybe the shape will be kind of trying to be an organized clump of some sorts. But right now, even not visible, despite it being day, well, pretty much this is the thing that we'll have to watch out. It'll find out real quick. I'm going to put you guys on pause and put what I think Bill's trigger is. Where is it? Now we're back. And now, yeah, you probably didn't see about it. Now we're in this paint tool. All we need to do is go. And I'm gonna make what I think Bill's track is. It's gonna be now stay up to date with me and you will